Hey Steve, how you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
What's going on here?
Thirsty fantastic.
Thirsty fantastic. We're working on the farm.
How's your experience been so far in these last few days?
It's been really gratifying, especially to see working with people like Joe, who really know what they're doing, to make progress, working with as much natural material as we can, and working with our hands and tools and our creativity, and seeing things get done to where there wasn't a gate before, and now there are two gates and one a car can drive through. And putting it together and understanding that how it functions as a part of the vision has been totally nice.
Awesome. So you've been enjoying yourself thus far?
Yeah.
Learning a little?
Yeah. Soaking up some knowledge about, there's so many plants here, vegetables and fruits that I have never seen before. I have no idea. I'm still learning what they are. So there's knowledge to soak up everywhere, about what's happening here. It's the place is rich in life, but in knowledge as well. It's a pleasure to spend time here.
Yay, thank you. You coming back?
Yeah, I hope so.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
I really do.
Yeah.
Thank you.